The state of Bengal, there's been a brutal rape and murder case and the details of it are actually mind-numbing. It was on Friday, a 31-year-old trainee doctor was not only raped but brutally murdered on duty inside the RG Kar Medical Hospital. The horrific incident has sparked massive outrage and protests. Doctors have called for a pan-India protest halting medical services across the nation except emergency services. These are protesting junior doctors that are demanding compensation for the victim's family and a written publication of the investigation progress report from the Bengal authorities. Sources meanwhile have told India Today that the prime accused, Sanjay Roy, went behind the hospital premises, consumed alcohol, was allegedly watching pornography. Then he enters into the hospital premises where this woman on duty likely was found alone. He raped and murdered her, according to the authorities. Then he also tried to tamper evidence after committing the crime and tried to wash the blood stains at the hospital. Eventually got caught.
Medical fraternity is deeply saddened after the incident of assault of a trainee doctor which was related to RG Medical College. And right now you can see straight from the visuals how the Resident Doctor Association are protesting and releasing a candle march in the solidarity of that student which was assaulted. And what is the demand of your fraternity?
एक्चुअली जो इंसिडेंस हुआ जो तो दुखदार है और ये इंसिडेंस सिंगल टाइम हुआ है इसीलिए सबको पता चल रहा है ऑल ओवर इंडिया देयर इज नो रेसिडेंट रूम ऑल रेसिडेंट डूइंग ड्यूटी मोर देन 36 hours 48 hours एक्चुअली नो सेपरेट रेसिडेंट ऑफ फीमेल एज वेल एज only single room there and there is no rest at one resident after doing 24 hours duty 36 hours duty they have to rest on their stretcher or other things and other chair.
Your demand,
but in that situation after 36 hours duty she is gang raped multiple persons.
We are demanding a fair investigation and a CBI inquiry because this is a heinous crime. It cannot serve the ongoing investigation the way it is going on. It will not be able to serve the justice. We need to show strong response towards this crime and we need to set an example that this is something which will not be tolerated in this country at all.
ये बहुत ही निंदनीय है क्योंकि इस गवर्नमेंट के अंडर में ये काम एक बार नहीं बहुत बार हो चुका है। ममता बनर्जी ने बोला उसके अगेंस्ट में जो भी कार्रवाई होगा फांसी होना चाहिए। पहले क्यों नहीं बोला आपने? 7-8 घटना घट चुके हैं आपके 15 सालों में, तो आपने पहले क्यों नहीं बोला? अभी डर गए हैं बांग्लादेश का ये रूप देखकर कि आपके यहाँ भी वायलेशन हो सकता है। इसके कारण आपका ये जो गवर्नमेंट है पूरा फेलियर है। गवर्नमेंट आप गवर्नमेंट चला रहे हो, सिर्फ नाम पे चला रहे हो। आदमी यहाँ का सुरक्षित नहीं है, महिला यहाँ सुरक्षित नहीं है।
Absolute brutality and perhaps a reminder of even hospitals if are not safe perhaps raises a lot of questions, specifically that there should be CCTV in all of these areas as well.